Welcome back to Preyo Promo, where you learn how to create stunning Canva designs like a pro. Want to design eye-catching letters in Canva for posters, banners, or social media? Stay with me, because I'll show you how to create stylish, professional letters. Step by step. Step 1. Open Canva and start a new project or open an existing design. Go to the left menu, click Text, then select Add a heading to insert your letter. Step 2. Type the letter you want, then highlight it to access styling options. Adjust the font, size, and alignment to make your letter stand out on the canvas. Step 3. Customize the color using the color picker to match your design style. Choose bold tones for strong visuals or soft pastels for a clean, modern look. Before we move forward, hit that subscribe button so you never miss powerful Canva design tips. Step 5. For a creative upgrade, go to Elements and explore the Frames section. Search for alphabet frames and add your desired letter shape to the canvas. Step 6. Resize and position the frame to fit perfectly within your design layout. Drag and drop an image into the frame to instantly fill the letter with visuals. Step 7. Fine-tune your design by adjusting spacing, alignment, and overall balance. This ensures your letter looks clean, professional, and visually appealing. Thanks for watching. Follow Preyo Promo for more expert Canva tips to level up your creativity. Remember, small design details like styled letters can make a big impact on your content.